Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add voicemail drop message in close CRM. A voicemail drop is a pre-recorded message you can quickly leave when you reach someone's voicemail, saving time and keeping your outreach consistent. Let's walk through creating one from inside Close, and I'll share a few best practices along the way. First, open Close and head to your inbox. This is a convenient starting point because the settings menu is easy to reach from here. Look toward the lower left corner of your screen and find the settings gear icon. When you see it, click it to open your account settings. Inside settings, select phone and voicemail. This section centralizes everything related to calling, numbers, and recorded messages, so it's the right place to manage voicemail features. Next, choose voicemail drop. This is where you'll see any existing drops and where you can create new ones. Click new voicemail drop to start setting one up. You'll be prompted to create your recording. Before you hit record, a quick tip: write a short script you can read naturally. Aim for 20 to 30 seconds, identify yourself and your purpose, mention value or next steps, and speak at a relaxed pace. Keep it friendly, clear, and compliant with your organization's outreach policies. Now click Start Recording. Make sure your microphone is connected and allowed in your browser. Position the mic a few inches from your mouth, reduce background noise, and smile as you speak. It genuinely helps your tone. If you stumble, no problem. You can stop and re-record until it sounds right. Keep your message focused, avoid jargon, and don't rush the ending. A brief sign-off that sets expectations, like letting them know you'll follow up by email, can be helpful without sounding pushy. When you're happy with the take, click Save. This finalizes your voicemail drop and adds it to your list for easy access later. If your plan allows naming or organizing drops, use clear labels so your team can pick the right one quickly. It's also smart to keep one general purpose message and one tailored to your most common use case, like follow-ups or event reminders, but keep each message unique to avoid sounding repetitive. That's it, your voicemail drop is now created and ready to use in Close. With this in place, you'll shave time off every call that goes to voicemail while keeping your message consistent and polished. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to continue refining your script and tone until it perfectly matches your brand and workflow.